relax and unwind from the day. This keto low-carb friendly golden milk is the way to go. It is known to aid many health ailments, including colds, coughs, inflammation, anxiety, and depression. It can also boost your immune system and improve brain function, as well as help blood sugar levels. With Korean Red Ginseng, no doubt for the immune system. Almond milk, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon stick, MCT oil, black pepper, sugar-free maple syrup, and 1 scoop of Korean Red Ginseng Extract. And then mix it all together. Now we're going to boil it. Slowly heat it up on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to keep it warm, not hot. It's ready when all the ingredients are mixed well. Pour into a cup and it's ready. As I mentioned earlier, this golden milk can help minimize joint pain and reduce inflammation, while the ginseng can help reduce fatigue and boost the immune system. Add a cinnamon stick as the last step. Try this at home when you feel burned out from the cold and need a natural remedy. Don't forget to add Korean Red Ginseng Extract. Bye!